I really enjoy styling and curling my beard. It's something that I find really, really relaxing. It gives you the ability to create something that you didn't know you could before. Half the time I'm trying to follow pictures of, Dick Van Dyke from Mary Poppins or other Santa Clauses whom I admire, whose style is really good and unique to them, and I want to find my own style. And so for this portrait, I wanted something new and fresh, something a lot different than what I've had before. And so I styled a lot and I took it slow, I used small curlers. As a representative of Santa Claus, I want my appearance to look like it could be taken from a Christmas card or, a storybook. I want that storybook magical appearance. The old wrapping paper and classic paintings of, the 20th century, they just did a wonderful job encapsulating the fresh seasonal feeling. As a traditional Santa, I have the luxury of developing and improving upon my big white beard. I had some success experimenting and getting familiar with my beard last season, and we got some really good photos, but since then I've learned so much more about both styling and photography. I just received some new pieces I bought with my earnings from this past season, and I was excited to style them and see what I could do with them. Since I'm trying to recreate a storybook look, I thought this would be a great opportunity to also take some photos to create something really grand, really elegant and regal. A storybook Santa look. You see, I've always wanted to have an old-fashioned, painted portrait, and though I don't paint, I think I can get pretty close to what I want. About 7 years ago, I was gifted a Christmas present in a box that had a painting of Santa Claus on it. I kept that box and eventually, just cut out the top and put it in a frame, and it hangs above my desk. I'm going to try and replicate the same style of that painting in my official 2020 portrait, using some editing, and Photoshop and things like that. While editing them, I realized they looked great just as they were, actual photos with no portrait effects or anything, but I really wanted that painted look. I really wanted that old-fashioned portrait look, and I wasn't disappointed. This is my official Santa Claus portrait for the year 2020.